Ever wondered how a business knows that they are actually making money or just burning cash? So that's when income statement comes in. So hey guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Aman, and in my channel I simplify basic financial concepts, thus enabling you to have a better understanding of finance and some of the accounting related concepts as well. Now in today's video, we are going to look into the basics of income statement. Now without wasting any further time, let's just start the today's video. Now, before we begin with the definition of income statement, there is one thing that we have to understand, that the main goal behind this income statement is to understand that if a business is actually making any money. So let's just begin with the definition of income statement. So income statement, also known as P&L statement, which is profit and loss statement, is a summary of business's revenue, costs and expenses over a specific period of time, which may be monthly, quarterly or yearly. Now moving on to the important terminologies that we have to keep in mind. So first are revenues. So revenues refers to the cash coming into the business from the sale of the goods and services. For example, a bakery sells cakes. So second are cost of goods sold. So cost of goods sold refers to the money spent on production of the goods and services or the purchase of the goods and services. For example, in the case of bakery, so they need to purchase some of the raw materials like eggs, sugar, etc. in order to make some cakes. So it is referred to as cost of goods sold. And third is operating expenses. So operating expenses refer to those expenses which are required to conduct daily day-to-day operations. For example, paying salary to the staff or the rent. Number 4 are other income. So other income refers to the money that is being generated by a business but outside of the business activities. For example, money earned from interest. Number 5 are taxes. Now taxes is one part that everyone hates. So taxes refers to the money that a business owes to the government. Now the rate of the taxes might be different across different countries. And the last and the most important is the net profit. So net profit states that the amount that is being left with the business after all of these above mentioned deductions. So the net profit states that if a business had made a profit or a loss, and it also gives sign to the investor that if they want to invest in a business which is profitable or not. Let us look into some of the examples to understand the things in a better way. So firstly, we have a top line of 5 lakh rupees. So 5 lakh is the revenue that we have. Next, we are spending 2 lakh rupees on ingredients and packaging, which is our cost of goods sold. So when we deduct 2 lakh rupees from 5 lakh rupees, we get a gross profit of 3 lakh. So after that, we are spending 1,50,000 on rent, salaries, etc. and all these other kind of expenses which are known as operating expenses. So when we deduct operating expenses from the gross profit, we get an operating profit, also known as EBIT, which is earning before interest and taxes, of 1,50,000. After that, 20,000, which is taxes, is being deducted, and this 20,000 is the amount which is being given to the government. So after deduction of the taxes, we are left with 1,30,000, which is our final amount of net profit. So just like this, we can see that how we started off with a considerable amount of 5 lakh rupees, and now we have been reduced to 1,30,000, which is our net profit. So this is what income statement does. It shows the complete journey of how we arrived at the net profit, stating all the deductions that has taken place between the journey. And income statement also provides transparency to the investors in order to make certain informed decision, like whether they want to invest in a particular business or not. Now that's all with the today's video, guys, and if you want to learn more about finance, then you can check out my previous videos. I've put the link down below in the description. Till then, see ya, stay tuned.